Do you know the symptoms of whooping cough in babies? It's rare today thanks to vaccines, but it's good for parents to know. Whooping cough can cause coughing spells that sound deeper or unusual. It's a bacterial infection that can look like a cold in the early stage. Babies under 6 months can have more trouble breathing during a coughing fit. If your baby vomits or turns red after coughing, it's a reason to check in with a doctor. It often looks like a common cold, but tends to last much longer. Babies can't tell us they feel uncomfortable, they need our gentle attention.